I just put the cauliflower in this ninja thingy-ding. And then I put this on. And a piece that's not going down in there. And there you have some cauliflower rice. And I probably should have cut it into smaller pieces because I usually can get more in here. But I'm trying to do this one-handed while I video with the other hand. So as you see, it's not a very long, drawn-out process. If I would have cut these smaller, I'd fit more in here at a time. And then little cup on. And so as you see, it only takes a couple of little pulsy thingies. It's not a big monstrosity there. And some more cauliflower rice. So that's how I make the cauliflower rice. So that's how much cauliflower rice one head of cauliflower makes. So to think that that dude ate all of that at one sitting is pretty impressive. I don't put that much. What I do is I grab a few handfuls, throw it in the bowl or in the pan, like that. So now I have all that cauliflower rice. Then I do 4 ounces of either the lean ground beef that I pre-cooked and was in the refrigerator, half a cup of my brown rice, and let me go rinse my hands, I'll be right back. And then I get 2 tablespoons of this spicy chili sauce. And this has like such good flavor. It's really spicy. I hope there's nothing wrong with it. I didn't see any sugar or anything like that in it. Just lots of garlic and hot peppers and stuff. And so then it looks like that. And now, give me a second and I'll go put it on. And now I just mix it all up. And I can't really do this with the camera above it too well, but I just mix it all up. Have it in here on the stove. Mix, mix, mix. I'll be back. I'll mix it up. And the meat's cooked, the rice is cooked, so I'm just like heating it all up and getting that the cauliflower hot, nice and hot. But it stays like kind of crunchy. That's just heating it all up. So it takes no time at all, and I found that like 1/3 of the cauliflower head fills my bowl that I used to put my Chinese food in when I had a stressful day. And so I go ahead and I split the cauliflower head into 2 other bags. So now my next 2 meals are nice, quick, and easy because I already browned the ground beef and I already have brown rice in the refrigerator too. So all it is just throwing it all in that pan and quick heating it up. And that's what I've been making this week. It's very yummy, very satisfying, and keeps me full.